Test audio prima della correzione acustica, Open Space Maior.
I am in the open space of Maior in Faenza, and currently Federica will inform us about the resolution of the acoustic problems.
I am Federica from Maior. I am employed in this company that specializes in the production of lifts for LCD screens. We work in this beautiful open area together with a large number of other individuals. We came to the realization that we had a problem with acoustics, specifically regarding sound reverberation. In the evening, after many hours spent in this environment where many people are talking on the phone simultaneously, we felt tired and didn't understand why. Next, we approached Director Garvan, who put forward a suggestion for an intervention aimed at acoustic correction. Ceiling panels were applied along with dividers, and it was observed that the situation has experienced a notable improvement. Now the reverberation of the voice is no longer present, and even when we speak simultaneously with many people, the sound no longer has the same effect as before. Therefore, we can work for many hours in this environment without feeling the fatigue we experienced before. We are very satisfied with this intervention.
Test audio prima della correzione acustica, Open Space Maior.
Federica had found an alternative system to sound-absorbing panels to completely isolate herself from noise.
Actually, I possess these exquisite headphones typically employed in metalworking establishments where there is a substantial amount of noise. Therefore, whenever I had to engage in work and required focus, I would don these headphones and the noise would not disturb me. But fortunately, I don't use these headphones anymore, and they remain closed here in the drawer.
Davide Bertossi from CAT conducted acoustic surveys to determine the reverberation time needed to understand how much sound-absorbing material was required to solve the issue and where to place it.